My name is Percy Mills, come from Kilcullen, County Kildare. Been farming here with my wife for the last 20 years. The last 6 years we've got into the dairy enterprise, and we're a 52 hectare farm here, milking 180 cows, a grass-based system. We started off looking at different parlours and sizes and what sheds suited for the parlour, and we went with a sequential baling 85 degrees. It fitted the right size, the width of the shed. Did the business plan and went to Pearson's then and a few other companies and listened to what they had to say. They had great knowledge. They showed me how to design the yard, and Pearson's were just that bit better. Their pricing was right, they were honest. 6 years later I'm milking 180 cows, like never would have thought that. We got heat detection collars on the cows. Purely I wasn't milking all the time, and I wanted to know about what the cows were, if there was a sick cow, and the breeding end of the things with the cows as well, to learn their 21-day cycle. And I wouldn't have got on as well as I'd liked in breeding, getting into cows, never having an animal before that, so it was a big learning curve for me, and these really did help. And if you do the sums, like they're actually making money, you know, like they're a big expense at the day, but like they've saved me. Like I have a very good fertility rate now. With the collars, we have an app on the phone and on the tablets, and you can check the cows at any time of the day. You can see when the cows come in range of the parlour. You get notified emails of cows that are in heat. If there's a cow sick or anything like that, it comes up if she's not eating. Why is she not eating? She's either lame or she has mastitis. You can draft them out. I also have the drafting auto drafter as well, so cows are bulling, it pulls out all the cows that are ready for AI for me. Pearson's gave me good advice about cow flow. They not only told me about the parlour, but it was other things in the yard as well. From experience going into farmers' yards and things like that, they looked at my sheds and we decided where the parlour was going to be, had an idea where it was going to be, had no idea what way to do it, and where to put slurry tanks, cubicles, different things like that. And they were able to picture it in a few years' time as well, whereas I was only able to think at the moment. And so they were on straw for the first year, like, and they were talking about putting cubicles in here, there, you know, and feed passages, and so yeah, it was a wealth of knowledge came with Pearson's that made life a lot easier to make the transition.